Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You open the meeting only after quorum and the agenda are clear. Start now by announcing the call to order. Once done, recognize the member who rises and ask them to state their motion aloud. Make sure someone seconds it. Without a second, the motion dies quietly. After a second, restate the motion so everyone hears the exact proposal and you can move directly into discussion or procedural options. You control debate with clear time limits and by calling speakers in turn. This keeps discussion focused and fair. When an amendment is proposed, handle it like a motion. Require a second, debate the amendment first, and vote on it before resuming the main motion. If confusion arises, allow parliamentary inquiries or a point of order so members can ask how or correct a procedure. The chair rules and explains, which you close debate with a clear call for the vote, selecting voice, roll call, ballot, or unanimous consent depending on stakes. Announce the exact question before voting. Once votes are tallied, declare the result and instruct the secretary to record the motion, outcome, and vote count in the minutes immediately. If someone contests the process, advise them to move to reconsider or to appeal the chair's ruling. That formal path preserves rights and resolves disputes without derailing the meeting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.